If you evolve within yourself, there shall be no pride or prejudice. You will perform action out of pure and absolute sense. Because of various types of emotions, belief systems, philosophies, ideologies, we as human beings are going against the very grain of creation, the very basis of our own nature, simply because all these complex emotions, thoughts, philosophies, ideologies, beliefs, directions from elsewhere. It's important that human beings function out of an absolute sense. This is only possible when you do not look at life either as positive or negative, when you do not look at human beings either as good or bad, you do not look at situations in favor or against them, but you look at everything just the way it is. This needs inner evolution.